some of the content on Moja Love are staged. You understand? Mo bathini uyajola 99 jub that thing is staged. Nikhe yaphuma vele last year ukuthi kunabanye abantwana ngazi babathwele eDurban or Cape Town ukuthi bathi bayajola kanti lo muntu lo ama siblings. Mina ngingamazi mara is soul rest in peace.
Uphumela impumpa ngithi
Manje mele ngazi bonke abantu baselimpompo.
nathi ukuthi
Mama bangazi limpompo. Limpompo babheka ama video wami total.
angali like example now walahleka not walahleka washona
Mina ngashona abantu bazothi sebala abantu mina ngashona abantu abalahlekele bala.
iya abalana seLimpopo
Kanjani? Bangabheka ama video wami. Balahlekelwa kanjani? Balahlekelwe yini?
okay nalo driver ka Charisma shem
Is all rest in peace.
not only him but nalabantu labo bathola accident nabo laba phela
Kanti bonga sukarishima no driver kuphela abanye
angithi engathi imoto ezishayisene not ukuthi like
laba abanyasibazi man masingozidini isikhathi.
Mara okay bona kuMoja Love ithi understand lento kuMoja Love mabadade lento le mabayicala lento le Moja Love bayicala as like it's a reality shows.
It's not only Moja Love, you know those reality shows they called reality shows, they are not real.
Disabled like umuntu wheelchair uyafisa na ukuhamba.
Sure.
Umuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma na uyafisa ukukhuluma.
Sure.
So mhlambe maybe example kunabo mem lapha esikolweni like yena uyakhona ukukhuluma as like usikhuluma sikhipha ivoice thina. Ungahleki inca ivoice.
Mina ngimama yazi futhi
Which one is this one? Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Location. Sila. Ewe. Sila. FC. Mira. Eita. Hola. Conres. Boga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Hila. Location. Sila. Sila.
Mina ngikhulumela ivideo ngingakhuluma ngiyayizwa.
manje ufuna ngivulele yonke kungakadlali ivideo ama mic ayicrashana.
Sengiyasho ukuthi angithi ngibuza
Angali. Ma video last week kanti bengenza kanjani because bongitshela ukuthi uvulela bengivulela. Manje nje ngivulele yonke lento lama yothi tsi.
awusitholi statement sami.
Sithini?
Ngibengithi mhlawumbe uzongibuzisa modlala ivideo ukuthi right now. That's why.
Now I understand. Mara
Okay.
right, tingweko right.
All right.
Yeah, awuthulile nje showini next.
Angithi ngibangene mina. Jayele wena umalume avule yabona.
Ishuni kuyakhuluma ibhotasa
Okay.
Onyangimangaza wena tase ngidawubheka ama podcast nje. Podcast engabheka ama podcast improve kanjani? Phela uma uactor kumele ubheka amanye ama actor kuzo improve. Wena nje podcast nje ukuthi uyeza nje la ukhuluma ama topic bese uyavala.
Veg.
Bese uyajabula. It's fine. One day uzofika, one day basicashe somewhere. Mina ngiyenzela wena uzobona ngathi mina ngiyagcinezela or ngibona ngathi awusebenzi. One day uzofika somewhere basihlukanise bangisele umunye bangisele. someone will find it hard to host with you. Mina ngikujwayele angifuni ukukutshela manje. Mina ukubheda kwakho is bring something to game. Kunabanye abantu ukubheda kwakho they won't bring something to them. Bazothi la uthi le iyabheda total angifuni ukukutshela manje. You understand?
Yeah.
So uku-improve kumele ubheka ama-podcast lot of them mangaka ama-podcast ongiwabhekayo.
It's not like ukuthi angibheka ama-podcast now yazi ukuthi isikhathi
okay into ehlezi sitshela ngayo akunamuntu othi yazi sibale akunamuntu ozothi yena akanasikhathi into noma ubhizi kanjani into isikhathi uyayizenzela noma ubhizi kanjani umfazi wakhe isikhathi uyamenzela inje kanjalo if wena ukho serious ngayo lento lenyeke uyigaya isikhathi uthi ubhizi mara kune script because of le script lesi important uyenzeni osigaya isikhathi saso wena sele into engikhulumayo uyabo ukuthi nathi
so lento le iscript asifani nepodcast ipodcast into every time it's not like ukuthi ipodcast angibukeli ipodcast ngiyabukela mangithola isikhathi sepodcast ifana nama soap nama in ngiyabukela mangithola isikhathi sawo
ngiyabukela ipodcast mothola isikhathi
iPNC ngiyayibukela ilentuzana noma ekujinga ngiyibukela spreading noma ngiyibukela nelentuzana
ugcine ni
ngicine
ukubukela i-podcast engishit
ngicine kudala maybe boma last month or last 3 weeks ago
le yethu ugcine nini ukuyibheka yona
ngicine izona
ubheke iphi episode
le ya last week
besikhuluma ngani
besikhuluma ngelentuzana ngalabantwana laba bamakhazini basePitori
lento la makhazini sikhuluma ku which minutes le yabantwana basePitori
which mean mara ngibhekanga ama minutes
mara
ngibheka ama minutes
kanjani noma ungabheka ama minutes mara is too easy ukanswer like because sikhuluma ngayo ekugcineni le topic le is too easy ukuthi uanswer because sikhuluma ngayo ekugcineni
okay
right mara is fine mina anginankinga mina Hey bafethu njengomgogo ke we are back bafethu we are here #sela podcast and comedy bafethu yes this is your host ke ayena kana la madi ya monna msipidi ga itjama pula na masotlhetše piskinala na boy ke mokale pheko se so ka ga isko ke shake nna ke ngwana tja khala ka modida matepe samtjaki ke mramphela la makga go sekgole sa mejele mogale ya da ke tšhaba ditekelo ba ke compana ko it's always bafethu angihambe ngi-one bafethu know ukuthi the ship is too big bafethu I can't ride the ship alone bafethu so I'm having yena bafethu the vice captain of the ship bafethu ngikhuluma ngaye bafethu indoda bafethu i-podcaster bafethu comedian bafethu writer bafethu actor bafethu indoda oyibiza Vandag ifika izolo bafethu ngikuvela to one and only uMatime
wana basesi bana bana bamani
yeah emngwanathi yiwohwana bafethu yeah it's always bafethu naza sambi soto on the podcast bafethu samba nabo our sponsors or people who trying to attract bafethu ngikhuluma ngayo hoyi uDJ Spoo on the More Fires bafethu uyazi bafethu to mayivule TikTok bafethu and then maqeda ukuphuza bafethu ubhoke umlilo wamalangabe nango lomlilo lilo yazi bafethu ijinja lena bafethu and then icherry blossom lena bafethu bathini vitamin thing bafethu ipush passion bathini konje le Flavorton bafethu blueberry bafethu le on the corner there bafethu mother of all this bafethu original bafethu yes bafethu if you want to buy the More Fire bafethu you can get it on the stores bafethu Spar Shoprite bafethu Boxer bafethu is only R12.99 bafethu
nange 10 rand
discount tina le 10 rand asiyazi tina basitshela ukuthi 12 rand oh no R11.99
yeah mara
la uthi okay asifike kanje la uthi ngakhona uthola sleep R12.99
mawufuna discount hamba ku my friend yethola nge 10 rand simple
yazi bafethu akahamba yi-one hoyi bafethu uhamba naye the queen of the books bafethu Stephina Pasha on the books bafethu yazi bafethu if you want to purchase the books bafethu you should scan the QR code on the screen bafethu it doesn't matter ukuthi kuphi useLimpopo South Africa out of South Africa eGiyani even Malawi not Nigeria bafethu we can scan the QR code to purchase the books bafethu yeah this is the unpredictable destiny unpredictable steps bafethu unstoppable destiny bafethu is Beat That Fear volume 1 and volume 2 bafethu
kunelenzuzana kunegiyane ngaphesheya
igiyani phesheya kanti lotuko
igiyani
iphesheya ngiyamtshela hawu uyaqala ukuyizona le angithawuni ubuye ebush
igiyani kanti ayikhwela impompo
hayi ngaphesheya idayide before mawungile eLimpopo
yeah
before uzofika eZimbabwe
Yeah.
ngile igiyani
hayi ngiyakuzwa yo hayi
ngiyakuthola
Okay.
kanti labo ungazi
bengazi
mawungile after Limpopo ithi Venda ithi Giyani bese ithi Zimbabwe
konje kuphi le ndawo le ingale engathi before la uyabona la ngisho khona
Yeah.
hlala amavenda lapho
eMusina
yamsina musina
yeah
igiyani Musina
hayi iMusina ise South Africa angithi ngale kuhlangahlangena amapedi wona lamavenda lawa
kavenye yami umvenda umpho shout out to yona i-actor le yathothi la diploma Musina yayidictated la
imhlophe
awayi
angiyabuza kanti angithi maybe ngiyamazi ngiyamfanisa
hayi le komhlophe
akunamuntu obeMusina omhlophe
yeah
zafika la asiye But shout out to umpho bafethu
hayi dedicated la yathothi la emsimanini
manje iseMusina
yesu makunama workshop eJozi isuke eMsina ize yeJozi just for ama workshop
bese macede yava
ibuya lemsina
unama number why
yeah
inkinga sina budget mara nayo amele simele sitshele organize if inama workshop ngale mayizo attend iyazi ukuthi izospenda maybe 2 days ngayishaya something yana naye bese iyabuye
yeah ngizokhuluma naye if uthoni mekutona nga poster something ama workshop mhlamba ngaphula up ngakhuluma naye bo
Bengisathini konje
bosathi eMsina kunabantu abamhlophe
mara besiphumile lapho bengisakutshela ukuthi iMusina eSouth Africa
okay yeah
after South Africa it is Venda bese ithi Giyani bese ithi Zimbabwe
okay ngicokubuzela la ngicokubuzela kanti iVenda kuseSouth Africa
hayi asiphume la olalela mina
ay
olalela mina manje ukutshela ungafuna ukuyalela le
yini reason ukuthi uthi iVenda kuseSouth Africa
hangithayi ko South Africa ngiyakutshela ukuthi kuphi kanti wena ulaleli ne wona ulaleli
usakhuluma ngeLimpopo kanje
yeah
labantwana labo base Pitori bombakhazini uThiyamo nolento zambu what bathi ngibona ipost yabo bathi balale ngocolo shem
abasemfanqabeni
abvopu ilento zana abvopu yenza umsebenzi wakhe lapha eLimpopo lapha balala ngokuthula balala ngocolo
manje wabala afbopho kuphela ubonga afbopho kuphela baningi abantu abasponsorele nemoto live ikhiphe 200,000
abonge abvopu kuphela Agithi avophu eshaya umsebenzi wayo wokugcina yokuthola
nobone nokuphela
ngibona avophu lapho ngibone i-riding la post la ngibona i-picture le avophu lapha nalama box la amahle lawo yaya ngithola usebenzile
babhala ukuthi baba pay for free
na akusho kanjani
kanti angitshela la mpintsha mona mawuthi Bobby sebenzile usho ukuthi like
balale ngokuthula into engisho ukuthi balale ngokuthula
yasale kulale ngokuthula
sure
unokuthula ukhona sala ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi Bobby sebenzile like usho kanjani ukuthi like Bobby yenza umsebenzi wayo ukuthi athatha ngesikhathi ukuthi response njengamanye ama insurance or kanjani
into engizama ukuyisho mina ukuthi ngibonga ukuthi labantwana labasuke eGauteng Grand baye iLimpopo balala ngokuthula
thanks to Bob
angithi Bob yele ehlisa ibhokisi aye angazi ukuthi uyangithola na
ngisho okay so noyibonga ukuthi yenza umsebenzi
iyangithola that's why kube like ngifuna ukubonga further like bengizobonga
mina yazi angibuza kanje mina thought ukuthi maybe Bob
ngabantu abasponzile
nakhona kanjalo iwela lapho ukuthi maybe Bob nayo ithathela abantwana for free abayisa iLimpopo yabathatha amakhasi bayenza ama casket for free yabagubhela nomgodi for free understand njengoba iyapopo bokuye ngathi bongasiye ikhe yenza njalo kumamazala omunye untomazana shelo labantwana I think 3 yabantwana yabagubhela umgudi ababekela namalale namathuna ama tombstone sometime so I think ukuthi nawe yenze kanjalo that's ukuthi thank you that's anyikubuza ukuthi wawubonga Bob kuphela because ngabanye
badonate okay like angithi like benyenza i-update le besikhuluma ngayo last
ukuthi
bangcwabe kamnandi balale ngokuthula uyangithola
athi bona siyabonga ukuthi balale ngokuthula abantwana babantu kunenye comment uChris ekusela yenzile Chris ekusela sali ufani mara ezinye izinto hayi uposta uyibona ngibe ngipostile lezi status ngithi yazi uChris ezinye izinto akusiza ukujoke uyakhokha ukuthi siyamazi ukuthi this day siyamazi ukuthi unjani ebusweni uthi ubhale ufakele ipicture labantwana amaceta abhale ukuthi this is the result of Mnathi Mpolayi just imagine
maro ngekwenza ijoke
mfethu ngokushona into ebengisho ukuthi sometimes abanye abantu banalento le ukuthi labantwana nabo yibo abasiphushayo because bathenga lama drink what thina majide into esinayo lento lencondweni yesibulalayo yesikhawathala lento lencondweni ukuthi umuntu mamthenga lama drink then it means ukuthi wena so always sex yazi ukuthi sex umsebenzi wangakanani ukuthi wena uzothenga ngedrink nje hayi
mara kwamele ezi out ane engayibeka kanjani uma ufuna ukuthengela icherry idrink ane maybe uphethe ama intentions okushela angithi uza ngawo ngalama intentions la okushela ukuthi like awukhale ngokubhayela ethunyana 1 nyanga uthola makastana or makavuma uzombhayela leyo thu leyo ubeka amagama wakho uthi if ubeka amagama wakho
exactly
uyangithola uphume kanje uthola ama number before yawathola
ngisafuna ukusho ukuthi maqeda ukushela lapho kuzephuma kini nithi ukuthi nihamba today nonke na or ugama number sohlangana nini somewhere simple not ukuthi wena manje enkeki abantu abasaba ukushela le ukuthi umuntu uzothengela umntwana i2
awufuna abe toxic nyani
yazi ngithi into abantu abasaba ukushela intoxicated
uba
tips are toxicated
okay
tips yantuba
okay uba nyani toxicated la udakwe kakhulu
Mario
Asia
sisakhuluma ngama donation alabantwana imoja love idonate 200,000
wow
kulabantwana asali is a beautiful thing what they did ne bathini ngizothini in our community nathi sawadinga ama donation kanje when situation are like this but what I'm not happy about is because of after the donation of 200,000 there are people who came up exactly not after but these people have been showing up ukuthi imoja love yaskolota isibhatali until not today mase ibona ukuthi donate 100,000 200,000 ithi ni donate kanjani 200,000 kodwa nisikholota ama 9,000 ama in
yeah
uyangithola
so into kanje like I ngifile engathi ayikho grand
kanjani
yazi why ngithi ayikho grand ukuposta publicly why angalandi like amlande privately amkhuluma izinto ezikanye ngoba makalanda public so uzoyenza ukuthi na next time if kuno situation ekanje or situation more than this Uyangithola bangasakhona ukunceda ngoba bazothi usibanibani uzothi
ifika kanjalo then before unceda mpintshama
Yeah.
lungisa inkinga zakho asali ukuthi uncede is fine ukunceda mara lungisa inkinga zakho ukubhlungu ukuthi ubona omunye umuntu ancedeka kodwa mina ngapha ngiyasafara ngento eyi ngomuntu ngecompany eyi-1 le company yakwazi ukudonate ileno yazi ifana nani yeah amporisfana angazi ukuthi uzoyibona kanjani usebenza espa uyangithola every year abagayi i-increase mara bayakwazi ukwenza i-competition ukuthi umuntu awine 50,000 mara wena una increase total mara i-custom yakwazi ukuwina 50,000 uyaunderstand iyafana naleyo ukuthi nangu umuntu uyadonate la 200,000 kodwa mina ngikoleta abantu bayawina ama-fridge nalezi moto labo zibona le Pick n Pay ngicanga ukuthi bangayifakela ngale mahala
mina ngithi umdlalo labo bafuna kakhulu
bayawina thenga wambe thenga iCruiser 10,000
uyayiwina imoto amangi yonkulunkulu makasiblesse ngeimali inkosi yami sibe khocho nyanya la
uthi iCruiser 10,000 uhlala i1
imfana imoto fana uthi thenga imoto 10,000
manje ngitshela uyethenga ni 10,000 uhlala i1 iCruiser uyethenga lesibali
hayi ngicubula konke lapha yasengidobona mangiceda ngohamba family to family la
sithengisa hore bakaya
angithengisi ngiyenze ngathi ngiyavakasha akithi bathi indoda ayifikile
lise macethe ungayiwini le 10,000 le moto
eh
lise macethe ungayiwini le moto
kanti
uthola ukuthi phela kunomunye uspende 15,000 omunye afika spenda 20
hayi mina hayi mina ngizothenga idayile nge-30,000 mayengalengani silale siyispa
uyaspenda baby
amare serious mfethu kufanele ukuthi uthenge idayile nge-10,000 phela so imoto nge-10,000
if ulathi ukuthi
in plus
nakhona yazi I think kanjani angazi ukuthi yafa but
bakushane bonus yokudla
Pick n Pay bayenza kanjani like maqeda ukuthenga
ngibone nemitwel mina ngiyibone emitwel lento le
ba
le moto le Renault lencane leceda ukungena
lapho bokuyi Toyota bona le Toyota le eshayi sound le ishayisa nokuyindlula
yep
kunentoyota ehlezi imala umnikazi amangabona le podcast uzongizonda mangithi shayisa nokuyindlula mara le yasandukela le moto vele enye Toyota icela ihlezi imala man
emhlophe
hayi igrey silver grey behamba nalo my sister wala ekhoneni bekuye emsebenzi ahamba ngayo
angicala
kuba nomunye ohamba ngale the man Toyota khona hlambe ngaka man ngizokubonisa yona ihleziza la izokudeliver lo mjita ngayi emawu yespanini ngaze sipana zonke sure leya uyithi iToyota khona yona ngathi lapha kakhe ngathi maceda ukuthenga le slip sakho ufaka ngala hayi boxini so ngathi angazi bayeshika benze noma bavula islip sakho bathi hashi khamariso angazi ufile ama number namana lapha bakufonela cabanga bakufonela bangakutholi
bapho munye
kunomunye angazi buku station siphi ngisathanda ukumamela iradio bamfonela angayibambi isibhala badopha omunye amfonela ayibamba wini 10,000 ngithi yo madoda le ingayibambanga madoda yo fana asiphume lapha
yeah
oje besikuve ngikhuluma wobe ngisakhuluma ngalento lokuthi kubuhlungu lento lokuthi asali ukunceda unganceda kodwa lungisa inkinga zakho patala abantu khona manje iqiniso zabo ziphumile eziningi just because of abakwazalanga ukubhadala bangababhadalela abantu laba ngaba yikho lento le ukuthi nakhona kunokuthi singayi publicly sifikile kuwe sakutshela ngale nkinga le bese awusithatha serious phela ukuthi lama actor lawo akhalayo ukuthi ababhadalanga or ama in hayi ukuthi bakhulumile namalena ama producers or ama in bese nananga bathatha serious nesingeke bayenze next so kumele senzeni manje media ine power uyangithola uthi siqalele le video ubaze ukuthi bakhala ngala bakhala abanye abantwana uyayizwa kwenzakalani ayizinye izinto ke manje
South Africans imoja love ithi ihambe isiza abantu of which yonke lento abayenzayo lapha on screen ayikho. They just go and bribe people. Even namanje bachitha imizi yabantu ngale show ya Jola 99 of which last week bebase PE of which PE abantu ababashutile bonke bababhadala ama 1.5. Ngikuthatha phi lokho kuseza kusasekuncane engisakuletha ama highlights nase Kempton Park they know ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I still have in iprove ya yonke le nto leyo. So manje okunye okulandelayo la bangisendele ama letter of which ama letter bengithreatenishwa bathumele uOprita uthumele ipuppet yakhe of which ipuppet yakhe uBrandon right wangisendela iletter of which akasena access yokungifonela uOprita akasena access yokungifonela uArch second puppet kaOprita uArch ngiyantshona. So manje njengoba size la asisithi sodwa abakhalayo ngemoja love sibaningi. I've spent 6 years ngisebenza emoja love but okuningi nizokuza ku podcast nizokuza emaphepheni kwamanje kusasa ama highlight ngiyabonga.
Enough is enough South Africa moja love like yasiyuza kakhulu isizile njengoba bashilo bafowethu sibaningi esikhalayo so sifuna ukuthi kuphele yonke imvelo basendayo sibete kakhulu siluze nempilo zethu and thine bakhona ukuhamba babribe abantu bakhona ukudonate abantu njengale bayikhiphe 250,000 bantwana nabashonile mara bona bahluleka kubhadala thine ku7,000 lesibasita ukuthi bona bakhona ukuphumelela baphumelela ngathi so lokuningi sokukhuluma ku podcast.
So mina engikubuzayo imoja love ine show bathi sikhipha ama file but ama file wabo asendlini awakaveli so yithi ke sizonivezela wona ke Mzansi. Game on moja love asihlangane nisiboneni ke manje.
Besides ama file wabo abolile guys. Durban where are you? Cape Town where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yemoja love basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuphuma icontact namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi ngibuya kancane
bahlukene nama company wabo anzima ekubeka bakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content. See Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver truck. That lady bam scamile. She was scammed because of imoja love. Namhlanje icompany imthrowe out ushanyela iskontiri ucosha amaphepha izingane zilambile izingane azidli then they don't care abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile bakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office now as we speak
asivali sizochubeka kuseza siyabuya sisazodlula South Africa nisazozwa kusasekuncane lokho sisaya phambili sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama embassy ngendaba eyenzeka bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka ilethe yakhona ngisasena
sorry ngisafuna ukuthi bangajela ukuthi abasishaye ivideo la
mfethu
abayishayi bayiyeka ngiyakutshela ngaba ngikhona lapha
yes
so yabona lento engiyikhulumayo
ngiyibona
ukuthi ilena ngaba bayenze into right from the start ngaba lento le ayikho ngaba sazi ukuthi some of the content on Moja Love are staged, you understand? Bathini uyajola 99 jub that thing is staged. Nikhe yaphuma vele last year ukuthi kunabanye abantwana ngazi babathwele eDurban or Cape Town ukuthi bathi bayajola kanti lo muntu lo isi ama siblings. Ngithola bathathe wena nosisakho kanje bathi bayenza ngathi ngiyajola wemthola ajola namunye umuntu niyalwa kanjani kanjalo ngithola kalento le staged. Ngithola na ishuga mama sile yabo naye bathi staged. Uyayithola uyibona lengo
ngizona nale batichithi imizi abantu umuntu ucavuka umuntu akubona ku TV acabanga ukuthi iqiniso
kanti
noma umtshela ukuthi siya actor sithandwa sami
another thing yes mina mangaza yes kunezinye izinto mina kunezinye izinto bengizibheka sibhala kufana nalomntana lo bathu bani umnamuleli umlamleli lo wokulayideng bathi uThembi ne wakugqizilami lo ohamba anceda abantu ngiyahamba apha ngathi uyabhala amakhuluma kanje ubudayino yena kusho ukuthi awuyibheki umoja love wena bathi igqizilami ishow yakhona ngizokubonisa yona la ku YouTube lo muntu kunala akhayatshela enye intombazana masafika kanje egedini athi yayibona le nkukhu leya lo ntombazana athi yathi awubaba wakho le ngingahleka semdinga athi ike ngasho mina ngathi hayi into bengimangaza abantu babaye kumakama upastor makam lapha ku Rats Hotel makaba solving inkinga mabathi bafunisa inkomo why like ngikhulume ngespeed le yasankomo why bangathathi like yena umlamleli as presenter yeGqizilami ezisangoma ye-show yeGqizilami right why bangathathi yena asolve inkinga yalabantu live zibona bathathe le show le yakamagama iRiats Hotel la bayimixe nale show le yeGqizilami kube ishow i1 as they did kuJubJub no X ukuthi uJubJub bekalanda umuntu makafika achitha and then mafika lapha afika afonela uX athi kuse nangu ubani uthi impahla zakho phokophu X afika netracker athatha izinto show uthi naye leyabe istage leya uX naye asinyeke sometime njengoba bathi uJubJub is stage show uthi naye leya show leyabe istage or
so ungitshela ukuthi ngayenze ukuthi uX like zonke lezi zinto azilandayo zi-staged
uX is the only real show but na ngizokutshela inkinga yakhe sifika kuye sesela kuJubJub
okay
konje bengithini futhi
bo sangitshela ukuthi
bangalandena umlamuleli bamixe le show le yakhe na kamagama 71 asize labantu laba bafunisa ngoma if thina cause kunabanye abantu baza lapha bakhe baza lapha kuumuntu lo nobhuti wakhe nosisi wakhe bathi usisi uyasiloya esiyisa ngomeni bathi kuphi lona yathi nami ngiyisa ngomeni bathi nami ngiyangiloya why bangambizi manje kule show lo yena uThembi azoshaya amathamba kora uzashaya lento yazoyenza lento zakakhuluma ukuthi ukwenzakalana kule family umakama uzomuzo sathi ha kunenyisa ngoma engisaziyo ngizonisa kuwe ishow iyaphela bese izobuya sebathi sangoma test why
so now umakama staged
umakama angazi I don't think kunezinye izinto mazicala ne ziba ngathi zi right zifani kodwa masozibona ngathi manje siba public kubantu kodwa asithola amanye ama solutions sometimes and inkinga zethu sise TV sonke siyoheha ngeke sihlezi sikubhalela ngeinkinga zethu so ukuthi ishow ichubeke senzani uya understand I don't think ukuthi uJubJub nayo ucale ngokustage uthola ukuthi ucala ngokustage babuya bambhalela kodwa manje ngenxa ukuthi akusanama la ama customer lama ambhalelayo then we have to stage it you understand
ufana nabo Joseph Dad nabo banibana
sure
bekungacaviwe idayiding imaye ngoba
until sibona ngalama agent la kuma groupini bathi Joseph Dyer ufuna abantu kuphokopho uyayithola ikanjalo naye so uX yena uX le show yakhe yona is a real show you know why I'm saying that they started this yena nalo X lo wama drugs sure bayicale bayi2 lento lena bangekho ku TV bebayenza noma bahlale ekasi ukuthi wena mawunenkinga ukuthi wona yangikolode no proof une court order uyasilanda thina solanda amajita wethu bese solanda into yakho bese uzosibhadala
uX no X
sure
ama out
asekasi asethembisa akhulele ekasi ahonke lento leba bayishaya ngeplan
like into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi mawayicala right ama out asekasi ukuthi bawathi azwani nebantu ukuthi bayavurvaya
baqhokela abantu sure uyangithola cause of nabo ayikuthi bayenza ngomgibingi bebalandela umthetho angithi phela i-court order yikupha iphepha kuphela ukuthi ukupha imvumo ukuthi landa lento leya bona basasingeni wona ukuthi uyilanda kanjani abayingeni kodwa yena bakugayela imvumo so wena uyakubona right ukuthi balande if bakuthatha 10,000 bakuthatha 10,000 bakulanda imoto yakho uyangithola so mathi bahleli phansi bathi hayi mana sithathe lento lesise TV nempijama babhalela kuMoja Live eMoja Live abaproducers yathi if nina siya accept le idea kodwa if nine budget ningayishuta bacede kuyishuta nisithengisele ne-episode bese izoba kanjalo each and every episode nizoshuta ngebudgetini kodwa if anina budget siyayithenga le show yonke le show siyayithenga bese nina siyaphuma kini kodwa nizoyipresent bathi akunankinga ayithengeni mabacede kuyithenga le mangathi uyacheck if uyilandela u-X bayipresenta bayi-2 leya show leya ku-X no-X bayipresenta bayi-2 until lo omunye u-X mabacede kubabhadala ukuthi bayithengile le show ahamba yena ayesgela ayoshaya ama-mining explosions lo omunye ama-drugs uyangithola lo wasala echibekisa ila saqala khona aqala ezenzela igama ngalento yakhe right sure lo thema kabuya athi phela sengibuyile ngicela ukubuyela eshowini bathi wena sipale wena hayi wena lapho lo mjita lo sekasenzela igama ngala igama lakhe seli ngalento right wena manje nayi show yakhe ama-drugs sure bamgale ama-drugs uyathola so into engicaka ngayo X if bathi umuntu bayamfuna bayomthola no matter what ne bayomthola but nango manje basano umuntu uyakhala manje ethi bangisigeme 1.6 3.6 million 5.5 thousand 3.5 thousand just for ukuthi ngithe ngifonela u-X ngithe ngincedo X athi hayi mina ukuthi ngincede mama ngisendele 1.5 e-transport bese uyayisenda ngithi cabanga ukuthi ukhuluma no-X uyangithola abantu abaningi babaskema kanjalo bahluleka kanjani ukuwathola lama scammer lawo if you can be able to dig umuntu uthi amaphoyisa kudala umuntu phela imotshalave lapha kusho wina ka most wanted aka scheme bakwazi ukuthi wena amaphoyisa wena wenza imeda la 2006 wahamba eLimpopo bakhohliwe ngawo bona bayakwazi ukugubha baze bakuthola ukuthi useLimpopo kuphi babuye nawo phila bahlulwa yini ukubuya nalabantu laba ama 1.6
yeah mara I think njengoba ushila ne umuntu ifangazwa lapha ngaphandle or riding but maybe bayenza i-further investigation thola ukuthi umuntu uyakhala kanti ukhala hleli endlini akayi mhlambe ku Samuel azoncedwa khona maybe close kubo la ukuthi mhlamba ngithi ngayibeka kanjani kuzamthole lo muntu lo angithi mhlambe kwamela angene efonini yakhe or kuma contact wakhe ba trace ema in
bathole kanjani lama contact la yanastana lento engikhulumile ukuthi uhamba la 10 years ono yahamba bathole kanjani lama contact la lo muntu lo manje why bathola bakwazi ukuthola lama le giving lezi bakodwa bahlule ukuthola lesigebengu lesi baskemayo manje hayi ukuthi yibo baskema labantu bese babuye jikijiki baba e-TV bathe bafethu ningabhadala ama 1.6 mara kodwa abantu bayakhala still anizi ngali lento lekusolution ukuthi sincede kanjani phela if umuntu uzokufonela athi phela labantu labathi lo muntu lo ivoice yaka X straight asali AI khona bathi mara kodwa bathi ivoice yaka X straight uzokutshela ukuthi mama ngizoza ngikunceda mina isipani sami ngishaya isipani vele watata ka account yathula bese ukutshela ukuthi account yakho ayitraceki kanjalo sekuyaphela kanjalo sibe serious
angazi kungayenzeka kube iqiniso lo ishoyo but remember umuntu ezumuntu nawo une-identity yakho
sure
and mhlambe kungayenzeka maybe bayenze i-identity yakhe ukuthi bakhona ukumthola or something I don't know
sure kanjani aku-understand
like une identity mhlambe like bathole sort of like angithi beka isigebengu yasejele mhlambe ejele kuhiyeke i-ID number yakho or something bathola ukuthi home address yakhe ikuphi basala uqala ukwenza ama investigation or kanjalo or angazi
angiphikisi lento isho nale mali mpintsha mangithi bayisenda ngeaccount le account ayitraceki nayo kuphelela kanjani cedile
hayi ngiyakuthola angibakhulumela lo inkyuku yenze kathi ngiyakhulumela
no khona ukushamana abantu bayokommentile bakomenta kulento yela majida lawa bona lawo bathi uhloni uthi is better you open Nkanyezi commission and then Thabiseng Morin says Phumulang camera ya phone keng re khone go utlwa re khone ho le utlwa ntle islima nayo
bakhuluma izinto eziserious uzofuna ukwenza ijoke ngeke
macedo TV Phumula le phone ukuze sinizwe kahle basini phone ukuze sibatha omunye naye uthi nathi siya nathi siyakhokha 500 ngenyanga kwa DStv asikazi sibize kwa Moja Love. Ukhokha phe ngenyanga 500 lo. Nathi siye madoda.
Akasho ukuthi ubhadala DStv kuzini.
Oh.
Wena mositshela ukuthi uyabhadalwa yena mara kazabizwa.
Hey,
mara yikho le. Ubuyasa ngithi ukhokhela ukubukela amalenzi zakhe.
Oh, ufuna ukubizelwana uyini yena? Ngoba uyifan.
Une story
umbukeli. Umlaleli. Umbukeli umlaleli we-FM.
Or mhlambe na une story ukuthi ufuna ukusibhala.
Makabhale athathe ifone aphishuta nge-YouTube ngefone atposte lento ku-YouTube. Hayi kuzostela isicabanga ukuthi bakuthatha wena ku-dish. Hey. Upule uTaisco uthi so nina benizwana nalo yababa wenyanga or it was an acting ne fake gobela lento le acting fake pastors kusho ukuthi nayi acting nayi labantu basibona Moja Love isijwayela kabi bazoyenza kanje
fake pastors ibe fake yaze yafika nala ekhaya
ngithi impintshami stage ayimali babangafika manje bathi nayi 7000 sifuna ukuvusa i-podcast. Mina futhi fake gobela fake pastor ngaba ngile. Ku fake gobela ubo like bayazazi ukuthi asithi sangoma kufanele leya bayibuza sinini bathi kanti nobungasisa ngoma ukuthi hayi mina bengekho lapha. Ku fake gobela. Oh mtsithi. Aya.
Mara okay bona ku Moja Love ithi understand lento ku Moja Love mabadade lento le mabayicala lento le Moja Love bayicala as like it's a reality shows.
It's not only Moja Love, you know those reality shows they called reality shows, they are not real.
Yeah, I know about Love Never Hurts.
They are not real because buyers act. How can you act on reality show? Because if you and in Nakona, I don't think they want to make a reality show, I think they have to plant a camera inside my houses the day I was born. That's gonna be a reality show.
Yeah.
So when a reality show yakhona bazo explain a story kuwe ukuthi mina ngizalwe kanjani bese story lesaso actor.
Yeah, kungcono lento le I right lento le bayibeka bathi based on true story.
Or bathi based on reality show.
Yeah, based uyabona ngcono ngoba like I specific ibeka abantu ukuthi like nami mhlambe one day ngaba ku reality show kanje yangithola mhlambe nami yabona kube ngingazwanga ngawe today ukuthi baya actor ini lezinto lezi mhlambe bazothi ukufuna ku reality show esikayi ngithi mina reality show kanti angazi ukuthi nayi acting izinto ezikanjani yabona kwamele ba specify ukuthi like
bakhuluma iqiniso baqala emqhayi
yabona
wow
yeah it's Saturday uzwile ngithini kenzakalani ngelikompo vele ngelikompo
ama-compo artist
ama-compo artist
why nguthi Charisma motor accident
no Dr. Nel
Dr. Nel ushonile kanti Dr. Nel I think ukuthi Dr. Nel muswe beka drive Charisma konje nabashananga isikhathi siwane ngicabanga
Dr. Nel yilo angithi ngathi bambulele bathola isidumbu sa bewamela yo perform bambulala angazi ukuthi ubulaleke kanjani bathola isidumbu sakhe sayidini manje cabanga mfethu
manje usho ukuthini mathu kwenzakalani kule kompo
ngoba mfethu ama-compo artist nangu Dr. Nel ubulewe na uCharisma uthola accident kuyenzakalani kanje
mari is a first scandal sokuthi umuntu ashone
sengiyasho like ibe ngayibeka kanjani ziclashanile kwavele izayenzeka same time angazi if you understand na like ziyenzeke same time ikiyama ngijama kaya ngifunele igama lesilungu ngilihambile alikho yangithola
same time kanjani
not
same day
not same day not same time
same season same month usho kanjalo
no ngifuna lela gama lela lesilungu lela ukuthi izinto mazenzeke like maybe masingafika draw not coincidence lela gama lela le ayeye marintani anyamalele uyangihleka mara serious man like
yeka le gama mina ngikhuluma
okay aseke le gama like zenzeke not the same month but not same day man but the same almost same month
same week yeah
same week ngoba
same week
okay same week
usafuna uku-explain
safuna uku-calculate angithi mfethu yeah same week mfethu but may his soul rest in peace mfethu le kompo nilahlekelo ezilimpompo mfethu good idea ngi-DJ Ned
mina ngingamazi mara his soul rest in peace
mara uphumela impompo angithi
manje mele ngazi bonke abantu baselimpompo mama bangazi limpompo babheka ama-video wami total
angali like example now walahleka not walahleka washona
mina ngashona abantu bazothi sebala abantu mina ngashona abantu abalahlekele bala
iya abalana selimpompo
kanjani bangabheka ama-video wami balahlekelwa kanjani balahlekelwe yini
okay
understand uyahlala kana ubuye ngaza understand balahleke uyangithola unless if yabona ngaba bawabheka ama-video ami ngine-proof ukuthi abawabheka ama-video ami ku-Facebook angazi kwamanye ama-platform kodwa into ngiyibona ku-Facebook abantu ababheka ama-video wami is Midrand is Johannesburg is Pretoria la eSouth Africa neDurban nezinye out of country is Congo is Nigeria nenye bestring ikhohliwe uyangithola iLimpopo next mangislima mina
yo yes
but may his soul rest in peace noma bengingamazi nengoma yakhe one
nalo driver ka Charisma shem
may his soul rest in peace
not only him but nalabantu labo bathola accident nabo laba phela
kanti bonga su Charisma no driver kuphela abanye
angithi engathi imoto ezishayisene not ukuthi like
laba abanyasibazi man masingoyistini isikhathi
ningayenzi kanje abantu abasibashonile la uyabona uthi ungawaste isikhathi mara kuyathemba noma ngoba nomngcwabo komuntu ongamazi athi asabi uyofika uhle
ngangiye emngcwabeni ngumuntu engamazi mina
awuyi
hayi ngiyenzani emngcwabeni umuntu engamazi
umuntu angithi simdlulise le ngishonile kwamele simpha ama-flowers ahambe
kuze kanjani lokucala wona ukuze kanjani ukuthi uye emngcwabeni umuntu ongamazi because ukungcwaba singcwaba egazi amakhazini wena kuze kanjani ukuthi uye emngcwabeni umuntu ongamazi ngifuna ukwazi
udlula indlela wabona Isikhathi eside kokunye ngikhathele ngilambile nomngcwabo la opportunity lena kudle mahala thola lejuice lapha
hey
ngoba nelakho uhlonipha futhi ufika ukukhulula isigcoko hlala phansi bathi yena lo mntwana
wakwenzela yonke
lo mntwana uyahlonipha kuphana amakhekhe kucala before ikudla
hey man that's all rest in peace madoda speed recovery to umaboso madoda Charisma wethu
favorite yakho
makabuya azonqamula unyaka bangayenzi lento le
abafuna ngakunqamulela unyaka yazi ukuthi wona uyovotela yena umfrostana kakhulu
obvious akuna better le compo artist njengo Charisma if she won't make it through her coma then she ukuthi le compo lishonile according to me hey nangithuka boshebe shit lapha hey
angithi umuntu nomuntu like umamela according to what he feels or likes.
Oyibona
Yeah.
it's sengithi according to
So
my own perspective.
noma wena ungamfili angaphela umoya kuthuka umntana but
Wayibona one day nawe uzofika kule level le
Yeah.
charisma khona ukuthi naye
Sure.
ngimfile wayibona angithi ziya ngama level.
ziyananga ama-volume kune-volume 1 ne-volume 2
Yeah.
yeah.
Kunenye ivideo lale mangazile hey bangasisuki ngoba yasuka lawa these days abakhulumela kakhulu
Aw. Bathini dad?
abantu baya strike wena cabanga ukuthi gesa ukuthi abobani abastrikeile
la around
ngathi isikolo lesi
isikolo sela around
hayi angazi ukuthi sakuphi mara gesa ukuthi abantu abanjani abastrikeile isikolo esinjani sakuphi mara
le mangibona engathi akusi primary le
yeah
ngani
angazi
ngiyibona engathi intwana encane lokho ngiyazibamba yazi mawuthi ngigesa nengithi primary miyangibona le ntwana encane ngithi primary mayeyaringa le nto le engqondweni yami ukuthi ngaba kuyisikole esinjani ma ngibona kanje ngithi yo
yazi mina kuze ngilahini kunele board lapha ebhala ukuthi our voice matters
yes maye ngeke ukuthi le nto le AI or something
akusi AI
evar
le akusi AI bastrikeile ngazi ukuthi isikolo sakupha ngazi ukuthi bastrikeile mara I think kunenye board lapha ithi stop abusing deaf people show ukuthi baba abuse kwalesa sikolo maybe mara ngala le ukuthi our voice matters kunezinye izinto anyeke sizinterfere mara nazo sizibiza sokude siyazibiza our voice matters asikaza
yazi why bafila engathi like ivoice yabo yamatter
yeah because kudala abathulile ne
mina ngisho next like ngifile ngathi like ngithi wonke umuntu o-disable like uzithola ukuthi mhlawumbe sekane low self esteem yangithola akasana confidence kanjalo hey bengibhali LO namhlanje uyabona ngale low self esteem
igama lazile low self esteem kuphela kune low self esteem kunani futhi
high self esteem
kune high self esteem
kune self esteem angithi like I low self mangithi high self esteem ngisho I self esteem ukuthi like I confidence
kalento le ayihambi lento lebo low self esteem ayihambi nabo bathini konje lento lena yo wangakho khala makama yo
amayini
mina ngakhohliwe la gama ukuthi umuntu othulile bathini na yo nale
ama weaknesses ama strength
witnesses ne-straight ngiyayibona bathini bayibizana konje lokamo nangu umuntu mani bangana confidence angana bayibizana konje na
i-low self esteem yini kanti
beside low self esteem kunamanye amagama man vicious hawe
lengiyazi for sure lithe thi kancane
lokulithi kabalili hayi
ya konje bengisasekuphi
ku low self esteem
yeah uthola ukuthi like umuntu like o-disabled
hayi inkinga yamanye ama-comment enye layithi ifuna ukubona abantu abathulile
abakayenzi kanje abakayenzi kanje
uthini
like umuntu o-disabled like umuntu oku-wheelchair uyafisa na ukuhamba
sure
umuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma naye uyafisa ukukhuluma
sure
so mhlambe maybe example kunabo mem lapha esikolweni like yena uyakhona ukukhuluma as like usikhuluma sikhipha ivoice thina ungahleki inca ivoice
mina yazi futhi ngisafuna ukuthini ukuthi abantu abadefo kanje bafundisa abantu abanama voice
angazi ma ukhona umuntu one voice so awukhona ukukhuluma
I think ukuthi bafundisa ama normal teacher ona banama voice
sure that's why ngisathi
inkinga icala khona lapho ke
yangithola
because angeke ukuthi ngibe amarekhalayo kholo
okay like ngithola ukuthi umuntu okhona uyakhona ukukhuluma kahle yena akakhona ukukhuluma mhlambe makayenze or uyakhona ukukhuluma ne then akanayo le dedication okuba i-teacher or akanayo le patience le ukukhendlela umuntu okanje yangithola awuthola ukuthi aphelele inhliziyo yakhuluma kanti kuphela umuntu angithi angakwazi ukukhuluma yakhona ukuzwa obviously lezi zinto lezo ezikhulumayo ziyamhlaba naye
not bonke kunabanye ukuthi akwazi ukuzwa akwazi nokukhuluma sometimes
ane yeah so abanye mabakhuluma like ziyamhlaba nawe uthola ukuthi uyazizwa yangithola
like uthola mafika eclass aphika athi nerasa nini
yazibona izinto ezikanjani uyazibuze ngirasa kanjani ngingakhona ukukhuluma
Maruza ungaconcentrate anga noise making bathini mute making angithi ama mute person ngamadade ngesilungu
ngelanguage yabo okay yes ngizobona ngafamuka yebo
yahleka mina foko ilanguage
mina into bengisafuna ukuyisho ona lento le ukuthi like bengikuphi language why angithi bobola kha lento lo ukuthi ama une voice or something angithi lo thi our voice matters like abanayo ilanguage yabo kuyibeka ivoice ukuthi ivoice yabo ukuthi bayibiza ngani angazi if you understand na yangithola
why angabhali kufana nalo level athi stop abusing deaf people our life matters not our voice yabona lapho nyeke babancede nginokuthi lo munye una ukubhala amanga lapha ya
mina yazi ngikhulumelana
ngiyakuza lento ekhuluma ukusho ukuthi bangana enyithema ngayibhala ngelanguage yabo
like ezisihleka kanje umuntu ongakhona ukukhuluma makabukela right uyofila like engathi sibahluleli like sibagwerilo or something yangithola uri besenza ijoke out of that day abanayo igama yokuyibeka right ukuze ukuthi masilbiza banga feel offended angazi if you understand na bangabi offended mhlambe mawuthi your voice matters our voice matters
Amana now yenza lento ehlekisa. Yazi lento le mpintsha ifana nani? Umuntu kufana nokuthi uthi kumuntu oqhwalile uthi uzohamba kahle. I understand.
Yeah, ibona
yayibona.
Sure.
Ufana nomuntu onolikheli one.
Sure.
Uzathi yo kulinihleli ngivule amehlo wonke awu2 ngithe ubusuku bonke mara uyazi ukuthi unelikheli one.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Or ngishilo le ukuthi uthe umuntu ocela ukuthi uzohamba kahle.
Sure.
Uyohamba kahle kanjani ngoba uyambona ukuthi lo muntu lo
Okay.
mara uthe uzohamba kahle. I understand.
Yeah, understand.
Sure.
Yeah, understand. So mina ngifile ngathi if like abafuna ukuba offended ane like abantu abadisabled bonke abantu abadisabled ane in difference disability yabo wamele like bafunde or bafunde ukhandlela lento le ezayo angazi if you understand na like as bakhuluma lapha ukuthi our voice matters sihlekile obvious thina like
Akusithi sodwa nama comment
sure bahleki into engisho mangithi siya ngithi like sihlekile nabantu like abayibonile if bayibonile izinto ezikanjalo
mara ngiyakutshela yabona le ibhale direct leya noma engakwazi ukukhuluma islima ifana nathi leya ngiyakutshela nasi ngiyakutshela yona bengayibhali ngincede struggle level beyibhale ukuthi ifuna attention ifuna ukujoka leya islima ngiyakutshela nasi.
Yeah, so for sure yabane term yakhona ukuyibiza
yena vela ayibhala the way.
Oh yeah.
Remember basesikolweni abantu lapha.
Yeah.
Esikolweni kunezilima siyazi kunabantu ababhedayo yonke into leya yiyo ebhedayo eclassini.
Eish.
Yiyo bahlala betshela ukuthi imiki noise eclassini tasayithi our voice matters.
Ay qinezela leto kumeki no yawa yeste kai. Aisha ngapha ke mina sase kule topic le wish bangathola ilentuzana
noma singazi ukuthi bastrikelela.
Yeah mfethu
konje bathi they must stop abusing deaf people. Yeah mara vela but I can't say ukuthi bathi why ngikhuluma ngeecho. I can't say ukuthi they must hire abantu aba disabled to teach disabled people because that can happen. Uyangithola kodwa those people ababaqashayo they should make sure ukuthi lo muntu lo lento le yinto ayifunayo upassionate ngayo because of labantu laba badinga i-special need laba yabafani nathi ukuthi uyothola nathi abantu ababhedayo esikole laba badinga i-special need so labantu bale make sure ukuthi mina mangena la ngithi ngiyothisha abantu abakanje I must make sure ukuthi ngingena lento le ngifuna ukuyenza not ukuthi wena uyalapha ngenxa ukuthi wena ufuna ukwenza imali ukuthi abantwana bakubhalala bagcina because you gonna treat those person badly at the end of the day while they need a special needs. You understand?
Yeah ngicokubuza mina lana as sinyathelo clash espresso R lapho uthi ngeke ubiza umuntu odisable azofundisa abantu abadisabled like multi disable in which way ukuthi like ngeke ulethe umuntu odeaf ozofundisa umuntu odeaf how mhlambe angithi lo muntu lo deaf lo naye
uyi understand the situation uyayifeel like situation le yana understand la uyakhona but just imagine say unless if kuzoba ne department yama deaf person ukuthi le department le mara kuna manje bathi i department of education ifuna ukwenza speech or ifuna ukwenza meeting nani kumele okuzoza nomuntu ozomtolekela if lesikole lesama deaf wonke principal deaf ama teacher deaf vice principal deaf ama abantu abacleanayo ba deaf abomdala abazabomdala ababhedayo basesikolweni labo ba deaf abantu abathengisayo ba deaf abantu ababheka umgaba ba deaf
but
ama SGB ya deaf safuna ukubale siphelele zonke into zesikele
ya mabo iyaziphelela ngithi nama-HOD
badef wonke ama-HOD
bumeneri kuyafana
bathini abaphezela ama-minister bese bayobadef nayo into engibuza ukuthi senze i-department of deafness
like angithi I feel lesa kanti akusiske or lesa isikolo somuntu odef mara akusisikolo sabantu abakhuluma ngama-sign language
iyahamba i-deafness ne-sign language you understand cause if wena uya-deaf khona manje awuzwa kumele ngikhulume nawe ngane nge-sign language
sure
if uyezwa kodwa you can't speak kumele ukhulume nami ngane nge-sign language so lento le into eyi-one wow
mara into engifuna ukuyisho ne ukuthi like mabalethe umuntu okhuluma like ofundele like ngayibeka kanjani obuya esikolweni sesama-sign language ofundele into yama-sign language
sure bamtrainele for ukuthi labantu laba ba-treata kanje they need a special into engisho ukuthi they need a special treatment bamtraine lo muntu ba-make sure ukuthi lo muntu lo uyinto afuna ukuyenza because kunabanye abantu abanoya lapha amazwe abathi labantu laba because isikole sikanje umuntu uphuma nge-40,000 uthi yo angatsha
umelidwenda hola
zokuthi yena abantwana babantu badlile or bamzwile bamanastendile next
first week akhona ukuchomisela ngayo then after 2 weeks ngizongijwayela wena uyabona izinto ezikanjalo ayish yo
hey
nje mabathole ijustice abantwana babantu bayenzele into abayenzayo
hayi ngathi i-government ingasheshe bathenda mara laba izobasheshe bathenda yeah their voice really matters hey
ayasifumeni la kunomjito wase-KZN bekabuya esipanini ahlangane bekavaya nama-outwork maybe mina nawe sivaya yangithola sihlangane nabafowethu bakada ngaphandle yangithola
ungathi abafowethu
okay
umara okay wena ku-understand
abafowethu bangaphandle mina abafowethu
sure
mina vele mina abafowethu kimi abafowethu bakada ngaphandle yangithola so lo mjida loya yena bekathi uyibeka ezijoke ababuza ukuthi ebafethu nibuyela nini la niphuma khona yangithola kanti lo yamjida lo uyithathe enhlizweni ngathi
amshaya ambulala ambulala
out of ijoke nje
asale naye ujoke kabi kodwa mara naye bongamela ngambulala least ngaba amshanga impamezi 2 ezi3 yavaya
ya mara obvious angithi ngeke ba state la ukuthi obvious nayo out mfethu uzobafuna ukuzilwela izinto ezikanjalo obvious bekavana
uzilwela kanjani ubaqalile phela sometimes awulu noma yini ngeke yabona mina ngeke khona manje ngihambe nawe ufika abantu uthi seni hamba nini bese bayakushaya bese nyokunamulela ubasukele mos
ya angali
kumele nawe njengomshawa uaccept ukuthi kumele ngishawe ngoba ngibasukele ungabi nenkani because manje inkani bazokubulala vele shawa wamukele uthi sorry
hayi ngikele mina meshaya hayi
umqalile mos
hayi joke usingasajoka
ujoka into serious lo ngajoka ngini uyabona ngabe if maybe ngisikeni zonke siyakhuluma bese ngiyajoka ngithi hayi nina mele nibe nekhaya ijoke le not ukuthi ngifika ngidlule ngithe nina kanibiyela nini ekhaya bese ngiyajoka ngaleso sikhathi idudula naye yasidudula isisekhaya wona sibuza ukuthi siyanini ekhaya sine-stress sethu sokuthi sigijimisa amaphoyisa la idudula yasidudula wona sibuza ukuthi siyanini ekhaya inkinga ile ukuthi bambulale manje babayenzeni bona kumele nabo ababulale not ukuthi abababophe babopha bayiceda ukudla kwethu ngale boyibosha zethu ze-South Africa bona bangabuyi nangapha ngiyakutshela hawu mababulalo nabo iso ngeso hawu
abantwana babantu
ababulanga umntwana abantu
hayi yena bekayaphi ayendla yini lena
bekabe emsebenzini usho ukuthi bothi bakayaphi breadwinner ishonile la manje abantwana basana 5 etafuleni
yabona mngane wami kuba zithulela le Ase
uthula kanjani abona ukuthi abantwana abasebenzi abantwana abahlile mabavaye
kuba sithula yena kuba ngayenzanga
uNkulunkulu uyabona
yambhanisha lezi
uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi ayikho lento leyo hawu wangamelanga wabulala lo mfana ayikho le yabo tasengithi ngabafike lapha athi wa ceda thunga ntakopa mfana
akanti bathe abaseZimbabwe lokutembura lokumamisa
ya ngitakumamisa mfana
lokutembura ewe mugusho
Yeah.
at least yabo abafowethu mina yabona nya explore nya wakhipha namantu yangwethi noma ufuna ngikhuluma ngesindebele vele sengikhuluma vele sonca vele bathi mbuya ngale khachana leZimbabwe kwabulawayo ngikhuluma isikhala
la kunenkinga la rest in peace kulomfana lo ukulalela abafana laba babuya ngale basijayela la kumele bahambe bona inthumele bahambe mele bahambe labantu bakhona manje banesibindi sokuthi babulala umuntu eSouth Africa kusithatha phi isibindi sokuthi ubulala umuntu ohlala la wena ongahlali la
mara ezinye izinto ngamblame ngoba akusiwa la mara masingabuyele emuva ne sathatha step grand sasabheka ukuthi ubani wrong lo kube azithulele bazindlulele kuba
yazini khami it doesn't matter ukuthi wrong kanjani noma ngakuthuka ngomama wakho manje ngempintsha kazi it doesn't matter ukuthi ukwate kanjani ukuthi uzongibulale mfethu ubusathani lo hayi
angali mara awazi ukuthi
come back with some words I fight you with words come back with some words ngiye ngithi ngikufighta ngama words noma manje sokhipha imesa soyangikwaza kanjani sifike nini emeseni
what if leyo umuntu le akakhona ukufighta back ngamawethu
thula ke
wena ungicalele
uzungibulale
ilento le what if like uqale kwaba nale icima lezo show zona azibuyisela lo
yabona ifika kanjalo inkinga nawuza ngestory esingaphelelanga la maqeda uya ba defender sithini phela wena usho ukuthi lo muntu bamshaya ngempama wena vele uthi lo muntu lo ube esipanini nathi nina anibiyele ekhaya bakhipha bamshaba bakhipha imesa bamgwaza ashona usho kanjalo wena
yebo
manje sozala ukuthi
la obvious abashongo lo bathe a young man got killed abashongo yikuthi
into ngisho ukuthi sakwasphelelanga bese wena ufuna thina siblame labantu lomfana lo emsebenzini ibreadwinner yethu abantwana abanasinqa manje
ingola lelithudu yalikhulumela le no
hayi angeke mina ngivume labantu akuna right ukugaya ukuthi wena uthatha impilo yomuntu ayikho right ukugaya ukuthi wena uthatha akuna muntu ozela emhlabeni ukuthi wena azathatha uwe wena sho ukuthi decide ukuthi kuphila bani akuphili bani uNkulunkulu wena uthatha impilo zethu ngenxa ukuthi sikwatisile uNkulunkulu naye wakwatisa wasathana wayangambulalanga wena mthetsheni angithi thina singabahideli wena mthetsheni na uNkulunkulu wakwatisa wasathana wayangambulalanga wena mangizokwatisa umbulali
bambulale la nje sesiphambanweni sibulalela izono zethu nabambulalela izono zakhe lo asifume
hayi zakaJesu zethu nabo ngabe bambulela izono zakamama eniyazilelelele yabo into uthi bakasayise sengiyabona ne the way ukhuluma ngakhona mawuthi uJesu bambulala izono zethu sengiyabona uthi ukhe wa raise isikhathi yami ukho wa raise enye point lapha ku PNC athi mabathi Jesus walked on water lento le yabasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhambe emanzini straight imina something you understand now to usho ngikhona about Jesus show uthi lento babathi Jesus died on the cross for our sins kunalento leyo eshoyo kuBhayibhelini ukuthi thina abantwana sizofela izono zababani
zabazali bethu
thank you show uthi lento le isho kanjalo Jesus was dying for our sins our parents will die for thina we will die for our parents sins
shothi Jesus naye bekafela izono
zakababakhe yebona nathi sifela izono zabazali bethu
but ngeke uyi understand yazi mina yazi ukutshela iqiniso bengifuna ukukuphendula something isikhathi mara
khuluma singashaya 30 minutes
like into enye into engitswafisayo ukuze ngibe neinterest okufunda iBhayibheli lihlangahlangene yabona lento besisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uJesus ufele izono zaka Brakot angithi bathi uBrakot yithi yangithola so like lento le iya kuBrakot ibuya kithi futhi
iBhayibheli injalo dasa mina abantu abaningi abafunda iBhayibheli bayiyekile uyambona uMoses wena futhi angithi wengiphingisa ukuthi mina ngicedile uyambona uMoses lonke onkulu umbuzo ukuthi uyiqedile iBhayibheli uyiqedile azayingala nathi lento le iyahlanya le uMoses benyakuza umtshele next ngechurch he was very dedicated ngechurch and Bible uthe maqeda ukufunda lento lathi majida yazi uMoses manje akafuna ukuza next ngechurch akafuna ukuza next ngeBhayibheli because ubona ukuthi lento le ikuyisa la ukuphikisa khona manje bangabusa umuntu ofunda iBhayibheli uzokutshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uJesus and God into eyi-1
Aish
mambuza ukuthi into eyi-1 uzokuthi hayi into eyi-1 because of ukuthi angazi bazokutshela ukuthi yini mambuza ukuthi kanti abashonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubaba kaJesus uzothi kanti ulena
uphinda vuma nawo wathi mara makaceda ekugcinana hayi abantu abangani
wathi mawuntshela ukuthi umuntu eyi-1 uthi kanti maceda ngitshelela kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu kanti uNkulunkulu akusuwe odale wonke lento le uzothi ya kanti uNkulunkulu akadalanga uMary uzothi ya uMary akusumntana akusubaba akusumama kaJesu uzothi uthi manje umuntu oyi-1 kanjani
Aish
yebo uthi labantu bona bayasidida ngokwabo
yeah
yasiphume lapho kunothi share rape abantwana la
lwazi sithole may soul rest in peace shame
besikhuluma ngomuntu ofile before
ukuthi
lo wakho lo mdefendayo lo rest in peace kanjani defend abantu bakhona
ngakamuntu
yeba defend uthi ba right
angithi angishongo ukuthi ba right for ukubulala lo yamjida lo mina ngikule positive story sokuthi like isicaleva ukuthi like ubani o right ubani o wrong
into ngisho doesn't matter right or wrong it doesn't give you right ukuthi ubulala umuntu
sure why but you must remember ukuthi umuntu ngeke avele ngomese futhi ubona so uza ngeke uvele umuntu nama outhi like example C2 so umese uzwakala unga react ungayenzi next
what if angithi since
bese ngisho ukuthi sibrestile in peace isikhathi siyahamba asibuye kulo
I will rest in peace kunothandeka lana opposite se-Ivory uthi sanibona please help me expose this pervert his name is Sibusiso well known as Bates he slept with my younger sister and she's a student to him they have been dating hiding their relationship until my little sis came back very terrified from school on Monday. Apparently, this guy have been dating students from when he started working at JB Mataban, then went to Eqinisweni, where students were even fighting for him. He also worked in Tembisa and there were also stories of him dating students when he left the school. Nobody had the nerve to expose him. How do you insert that rubbish of yours into a small kid, Mar? Excuse. Our kids leave home thinking that they're going to school to build their future, but a whole educator is out there looking out our kids with side eye. Also advice on what I should do, please. Na le meneme.
Gokuqala makaye emaphoyiseni report.
Welibona le meneme.
Yo. Njebe ngaka.
Wena untshebe ukuthi abantwana bethu lapha yo.
Mfethu.
JP Matabanile. Oyile ya JP lesesazini ya. Le informembi. Imbi ungashaba kusho usaba ukukhuluma imbi la uniform. Nina nizenzisa abantu ama mistake manje nisaba ukukhuluma. Hawu, umuntu uzothenga imoto embi lo ringizwe nomfazi omubi. Usaba ukungitshela ukuthi umfazi wakho umubi bese mina ngihamba ngiyabreak futhi ukuthi manje umfazi wami kanti wena uyazi ukuthi lo mfazi umubi angitsheli.
Mina ngiprefer ukuthi kungcono ngithule than ukuthi like umuntu uzokhuluma ehlale kabili kuwena.
Kampani kungcono ukuthi ungihede ngeqiniso ukuthi ungicomforte ngamanga. Hawu. Mina ngiyohamba ngithi intombi yami kanti ngapha uthi ukungizisela nokuthi mina ngimbona uBeyonce kanti ulethelanyana. bese wena ungitshela iqiniso
ukukhuluma kwami kuzokuzondisa
ngoba manje ngizothi cibile ukuthi mngana wami ungitshelile manje nje ucabanga mangizothi lento le ngibonile sikobi igale ngihambe sizothe mina nami kudala ngibona ngisaba ukutshela ukuthi bayo nami ngiyokushanga incene ngiyabulala nami
Esha mara athina ama colleagues la kulomjita as like obviously akuna ukuthi isikole de wesingakhona mfethu akuna ukuthi abantwana mabakulwela abaze bakulwela nokukulwela akuna ukuthi colleague one ingazwe
ingazwe vele firstly makasuka from JB Matabantu eqinisweni bekasuswa yini because show tonight bekasuswa ilento le yama students ne accepta kanjani teacher neyazi ukuthi ne reputation ekanje
straight
show ukuthi abantwana bethu sinaba baye badlengule lo mgqibelo phela labathi labo ikolo ndazi sifuna lama principal lawo afuna ukuvalwa nabo mbavalwe hayi ay
mara ukublame akusinto egrand bozo blame abantwana besikole but you won't blame them nabo ngoba naye lo muntu lo kwamela athola intanga zakhe still
ngeke siblame abantwana besikole lo mdala lo khona manje phela nawe wena kanje ungalala nomntana na 13 years so blame wena urophe lo mntana lo yangengcondo lo mntana le yamncane ukuthi angacabanga wena lo naye uropha abantwana besikole babona lentshe bapha ama 20 rand babona ngathi ba right lento abayenzayo
Ceporo panga moto sicepho abantwana into engikhulumayo la engizangayo ukuthi umntana ashaya isicepho afike eclassini avule inyawo kungena manager nawe kwamele understand ukuthi lo muntu lo yayi out
wena umntana melona wena umenero melona sane ukuthi lo muntu la yamntwana akazi ukuthi mawuvule amathanga kanje attract wena mawumenero mele umtshela ukuthi umntanami hlala kanje and you must always sit like this not ukuthi wena ube nama feelings okukhala lo mntwana sho ukuthi wena manje makuzongena usipama agcoka isicepho ahlala kanje uzombheka into ishoyo futhi
into engishoyo mina ukuthi now into uyipromotayo wona ukuthi like abantwana besikole like into mina okay into engishoyo mina ukuthi nabo abantwana besikolo they must kwamele bafunde ukuthi mabagcoke icephe bakhone ukuhlala bakhone ukuzinakekela nabo ungathempt abanye abantu angikhulumela abomele ngikhulumela nabantwana besikolo
ngisafuna ukuza lapha ukuthi umntana wesikolo magcoka icephe akathempt abomenero wathempta intanga zakhe which is abantwana besikolo wena umenero wathempta yini abantwaneni wathemta yini abantwana it doesn't matter ukuthi wonke abomeneri thina singamajita seke lento lokuthi umntana maza agcoka isicephe sothi sekamela rage ngenxa ukuthi ugcoka isicephe simele sikhathela abantu ukuthi bagcokeni bangagcokeni ngenxa ukuthi thina sinama feelings
mina angikhulumi ngokuthi umuntu akwamela ngagcoka isicephe ngithi umuntu makagcoka isicephe kwamele akhone ukuzirespect ukuhlala angathola umuntu uyabona ukuthi uhleli kanjani umuntu agcoka isicephe azohlala kanjalo
uhlalele wena ezomntana esikole ukuthi mawungena lapha wa attractor wena ayi meneri noma angahlala kanjena tasengisho ukuthi wena izemeneri umdala ezemeneri mele umkhuzi ukuthi umntana amhlala kanje you must always sit like this not ukuthi mina mangene bese ngizoba nama feelings ukuthi ngibone kuku yomntana wesikolo umntana wesikolo ngumdala hayi sibala yikho lento eyikhulumayo phela sibala hayi angazi akunakuthi tishere ngahali lo mntana wesikole it doesn't matter ukuthi umntana ugcokeni wenzela umdala kulomntana you must show example kulomntana
ngiphendule ngathi mina ngikhulumela letsotsi mina
ngikhulumela letsotsi mara ukhulumela indaba lokuthi abantwana besikole bathemta abomeneri kanjani umntana wesikole wathemta umeneri kanjani wathemta kanjani mina ngiblame wena umdala
izwa nabantwana besikole bama-mail baya riding bayangene kule ndaba le ungale ntuzana obviously lapha akekho yiwani umntana ufunda naye ukuthi wena ufuna ukukhalisela yena baningi
laba manje ba right abakhali intanga zakho
ukhalisela o wrong la osabwayo
intanga zakho
akulande ongamfuna
umntana wani
ngoba uyibonile
sure lo right umntana wesikole bazombopha ejuvenile nomdala lo sisesikoleni sishiya abantwana bakhe in his hands abantwana bethu in his hands simthemba ukuthi naba abantwana besimthemba ezandleni zakho wona bathathu yabadlenguni lo ya icolleague le bahamba bonke same size sibayise bonke kuwe uyanasela lento engikhulumayo wena uyi-guardians yakhe nalo ya udlengulile lo mntana loyo kumele agayide uwo umtshela ukuthi indoda mawindoda awudlenguli uyayicela uyahamba ushele intanga zakho not ukuthi thina manje sesibona umenere yena sekadate abantwana besikole sidate bobani thina umenere madate abantwana besikole sidla bobani
ngisho ngokuthi mina wena kanti ozicount la ufana lekana umenere
no angali ngingana nabo kodwa ngeke ukho bona umntwana wesikole angena lawo
nama ngizicount lapha
ngithi wena ukho bona umntwana wesikole angena la ngoba uthi ngilingana nomenere
ngisho ukuthi awusekho esikolweni
manje ngilingana nomenere
mina mangithi ulingana nomenere ngisho ukuthi ukule age le ukuthi like awusekho kule youth le esikolweni yangithola
ngu youth
oh wena bae ay namhla ingaki 4 by the way bafethu kusasa ngiyakhula mina bafethu
oh happy bathi premature birthday
okay uyibize ngingesinye mina ngiyazi ukuthi bathi happy birthday in advance ushanga sinye isilungu esiphume
angithi ne premature nazi ukuthi premature umntana ozale engakafika isikhathi you can use it in the way you use ngakhona is like early yeah you can say why singathathi le podcast ngithi no is still a premature show it is still early yeah understand ama-level ngitshela ngathi ama-level
yeah sengiyasho ukuthi lesilungu sagawu sasikhipha ngempumolo sikhipha ngendlebe manje Shem engathi angathola ijustice umntana abantu okhalile Shem
lo mgodo uyabona lo mgodo yilo baba othole lo wendoda lo
so obvious komele bamthole vele somvare my sister ngicela mawuyibona le book uye emaphoyiseni tu ufike umreport uzokhona ukuthola ijustice uthola ukuthula enhlizweni yakho lokukufunayo angithwale ya eish
sathini happy birthday
mangidida kakithi ngisakhuluma la nje uthi ngithuthi mhlawumbe birthday
sesiphumile ngithi kulo mayisisi
hayi
hey kunomunye mayisisi ukhuluma enye into important lana about the rand and dollar and abantu uyasho ukuthi abantu abasijele ngalento le ematata shawa isikhathi mara asayishaye 30 minutes phela ngina 18 gig lapha ayangakhatha la ngabona ukuthi into zabantu kumele sishaye 2 minutes.
This is the type of news that should be trending. And I'm realizing that South Africa, we are being scammed. We're being scammed every day of our lives. Can you imagine the governor announced, this should be everywhere, that the rand should be actually 7 rand to the dollar and not 18 rand 50 to the dollar. Now, there is a measure that they use, which is the purchasing power parity that they use to measure how strong or how weak a currency is. So it's agreed that the rand should be 7 rand. Even the World Bank agrees that it should be around 7 rand or 7 rand 40 cents to the dollar, but it's sitting at 18 rand 50. Now, when they are explaining this nonsense as to why we are buying things for more money and our bread is higher, everything is inflated because of this currency thing, we are told that investors don't have confidence in us, which I call it a fib. Because how is it that the Saudis are busy buying into Limpopo, Abasa Israel are buying Cape Town? Which investors are scared? They tell us that the country is not stable. The audacity to tell us that our president right now is sitting allegedly with 3 IDs. We did nothing. He went and took loans. We did nothing. He had money under his couch. We still didn't do anything. So we are very predictable, by the way, because we don't do anything. I think they even put Xanax in our water, because how are we this calm? Then again, the other reason is that there's corruption in the country. Says the very corrupt people that manipulated the rand, Abosana Bank, all these major banks, they manipulated the banks, the rand back then. Nothing happened to them. They're still operational. And then they want to tell us that the rand is at 18 rand 50 because of corruption. Are you mad? Do you understand that even with FX trading, this affects when we trade with other nations, when we buy and sell? Do you understand that affects us when Cyril Ramaphosa goes and takes loans, since he's doing that almost every month now? When he goes and takes those loans, he takes them at these rates, which is higher for us. This shouldn't be. This shouldn't be. Kushukuthi, we are suffering because of them. We know that there are certain individuals that control the rand and nabo junk status, but we are in junk status as we speak. But it's clear to me that South Africa doesn't really have a big problem economically. The problem is that the people that control everything need to keep us poor. We don't really even need these investors if our currency is strong, because we can reinvest our money to our own economy. They need to keep us dependent on them. They need to keep us poor as worker bees. And that is where the problem is. South Africans, we should be living the soft life. We should be soft life specialists right now and not depending on common criminals to buy us hotels and Range Rovers.
Ujola nama-criminal. Ujola nama-criminal.
Ubani manje?
Akafuna. Angithi uzeli last week yakhe mayithi ukuthi se-rich akafuna ukudependa kunama-criminals lawo ababhayela ama-Range Rover nama-riding. Nama-smooth things. Awuzwanga leyo sentence?
Into izile uzeli la. Asiyeke le ama-Range Rover kula la.
Ukuthi currency bekwamele ibe 7 rand.
Ungangitshela ukuthi phela ngiyabona la ukuthi
ukuthi ilento zani i-currency bekwamele ibe yi-7 rand not 18 rand.
Hey wena. Into ayisho ukuthi ngaba siphila kamnandi. Ilena i-GTI ngaba sithenga nge-37,000 ifika kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ibura bus ngaba sithenga nge-150,000 ifika kanjalo. Tasathi ngaba siphila i-lavish life. Ngenxa ukuthi labantu la bayasabotage la America le yena ngala bayasabotage yazini. Indlu le uthi ngiyibhadala 20 years ngabe uyibhadala 5 years indlu uyaqeda.
Yeah.
Ngiyakutshela indlu ngabe uyayithenga mfethu manje ngaba 100,000 120.
No uyithola bo
manje 600 malini lezi ngizase Clayville manje
650.
Cabanga into engaka le RDP inkulu le. So cishe ngawo 650 kanjalo ijarta yakhona ngeke wakhe nama room.
Yeah.
650 gone. Hoy.
Aish.
Serious hayi mabeke kusropa le government. Lento ukuthi inkinga tasamna ngithi ngeke ngivote angaze ngavote futhi angeke ngize ngivote. Angihlangi mina. Uzevotela enye indoda ezocontrola belungu futhi ukuthi bayenzele abantu bonke bacontrola belungu lamapolitiki wonke. Thina sizoyistela isikhathi nje ukuthi sithi hey kwenzakalani. Labantu yabona lento abayenze la ngeapartheid le plan ukuthi thina basinika freedom. Le plan yabe basebenzele sibali. Lamuntu ohleli lapha plan lento le emsebenzele. Straight. Oh mfethu. Ibasebenze ene kunomunye umjito ngitshela ukuthi the same Jan van Riebeeck. Bathi Jan van Riebeeck uye waqala ukuza la eSouth Africa eAfrica what iphi prove lento le uJan van Riebeeck wa creatiwa njengoba uJesus wa creatiwa lento lo mjito wakhuluma ngakhona athi if ubeka khona uJan van Riebeeck waba ngasibonisa ithuna lakhe asilazi nethuna lakho uzazi ukuthi kuno Jan van Riebeeck mara silazi nethuna lakhe. He was created njengokuthi uJesus wa created ba create istory labantu laba ngoJan van Riebeeck ukuthi sizonto uJan van Riebeeck wena lo iba fuck man. Otherwise mara ibona istory njengoJesus ukuthi baze ngeBhayibheli ngapha bazothi peace ukubi akubisela ngokubi ngenxa ukuthi bona basenza ukubi akumelanga sibisele ukubi manje kanjani. Oh sis
yey.
Yes.
Eish my how sihlezi sibuza question e1 mar namhlanje ngeke siyibuze ukuthi how kwamele siyilungise yonke lento le and hlezi uyisho ukuthi kwamele bonke labantu labo labaphephezona baxoshwe.
Usho le government phela le government kumele inkinga anti ngakutshela ngathi kumele simele uNkulunkulu ayenze umsebenzi wakhe once. Ngisho abafuna angithi abafuna ukucoshwa phela ukuthi babejele ngcono silinde bafe
Yeah.
Baya asilindeni phela bozuma labo ya. Inkinga wabafi nabo kunini.
Mara still kwamele kube nendlela elentuzana elungiswa ngayo le lentuzana ngoba noma sabalinda bashone like if kwashona omunye obviously kuzo create omunye oyenzayo lento le ngoba mhlawumbe uzoba idobhe kubo or izinto kanjalo
somkhipha lo phela kuzoba angithi bayashona kusala thina iyouth.
Sure.
Yeah, if kuyosala umalima kanje umalima sebakhipha iyouth le akusava madala. Avumadala laba basifela ukuthi wabiye ejele phela ukuthi iANC ihlezi wina ngamavote umshikashika ohambayo lapha ya. Umshikashika ohambayo blind awuboni bazokutshela ukuthi amavote akuphuka phalahlekile bazokutshela ukuthi amavote akuphuka phalahlekile lahle kanjani amavote.
Ayish. Brown envelope.
Umshikashika. Base bathi ANC sazobusa ngithini.
Bazothi wazelapha ngazi.
Wona ngithi sasentwana thina siyazi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siyazi. Sakhula nabo labantu labo olithasisule. Baqele ngomshikashika.
Abugwete montage.
Ugwete. Avala lapho. Ufuna shay 2 hours. Hawa.
Wafethu savale kanjalo wafethu. Hayi siyabonga ukusibukela abahlali emakhaya bana basesi bana bamani bana bakokwane isilo swavutomi nje bahlala bari ihohlwane emngwanathi bara only 1 week or few days left swakuva 12 mzuku birthday yami 85 yeta only 8 days left ku igazi lemvana rihuma bafethu. Please support, like, share, subscribe and like. Akubulali lokho ndakusimali just idatha yakho nje kuphela ukenza zonke lezo zinto. Sivala kanjalo bafethu sithi asibonge ku bo sponsor bethu or people that were trying to attract Stefina Pasha no Spuda Duda Demo Fire, you see. Asibonge kanjalo bafethu. Sivala kanjani sithi
boo. Isikhathi masisha lawo sheshe.
Umathembisa ukuthi bengithi 29 tewosho ngakhona. Angithi uthe so sha 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Bengithi 29
23 icabanga.
Bengithi tewosho ngakhona umelele ya 1 minute ithi straight mathi wewe bafethu asivalenisa kanjalo sithi we
Okahle.
Mhlambe ngangcono mekuthiwa umithi sanga luyatikilana.
Manje wona no Don.
Angilalanga no Don. Sibusiso. Yebo bengifuna. Ngifuna ukukulimaza indlela ongilimaze ngayo nawe.
Ufuna? Wangqaba lamanga Thandeka.
Mina ngiqamba amanga.
Wena wenza sengakonke kahle uyakwamukela ukuthi ngimthathe umfazi wesibili.
Ngiyamkela kephi? Angikaze kwasiqaleni. Angikaze ngithi ngiyakunika isibusiso sami. Ngicela. Ngathi ngilinde. Ngibuye eKenya. Wangakwazi ukungilinda ngithi. Wamqhumisa empedeni wakho nayitika nobabili ngithi.
Thandeka.
Usukuthi Thandeka. Umithi somunye umuntu wesifazane ngikhona.
Thandeka. Unkosikazi wami wena. Lesilungise lento sobabili. Ngishade wena mina. Angazi mhlawumbe sibona sekungcono ukuthi uphose ithawuthi uyeke lo mshado.
Mina futhi. Mina kufanele ngixole, ngidlulise.
Soqhubeka siphambili.
Isikhathi.
Lesingakanani?
Kasi.
Beka sembeke khona ekhaya. Iyona nkinga leyo Thandeka.
Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Sila.